Subscribe to Knowledge Hub, like this video, and tap the bell so you never miss what's next.
Welcome back, open source enthusiasts and AI creators. Today, we're diving into a revolutionary technology that has truly democratized AI image generation. If you believe that powerful AI should be accessible to everyone, customizable, and free from corporate control, then Stable Diffusion is your ultimate creative toolkit. In this video, we'll explore how this open-source marvel empowers creators, respects privacy, and fosters a thriving community. Whether you're a seasoned AI artist or just curious about the possibilities, you're in the right place to discover how Stable Diffusion is changing the landscape of digital creativity. Let's embark on this journey together and unlock the world of community-driven AI artistry. Stable Diffusion changed everything by making high-quality AI image generation open source and accessible to all. Unlike proprietary models, it runs directly on your own hardware, ensuring your privacy and giving you the freedom to customize every aspect. Think of it as the Linux of AI image generation, powerful, flexible, and driven by a passionate community. With Stable Diffusion, you have your own personal AI art studio that you can modify, extend, and truly make your own. This approach not only puts creative power in your hands, but also encourages innovation and collaboration among users worldwide. Stable Diffusion is an open-source AI image generation model released by Stability AI in 2022. It's completely free to use and runs locally on your own hardware, so there are no usage limits or subscription fees. Technically, it uses latent diffusion for efficiency, a text encoder like Clip to understand prompts, a UNet architecture as its core denoising engine, and a VAE decoder to turn compressed representations into stunning images. The philosophy behind Stable Diffusion is simple. AI should be accessible, transparent, and controllable by users. This model empowers you to train your own styles, control every parameter, and tap into a massive ecosystem of community-driven extensions and models. The open-source revolution in AI image generation means you're no longer limited by corporate restrictions or paywalls. Stable Diffusion's code and models are freely available, allowing anyone to experiment, modify, and share improvements. This has led to a vibrant ecosystem where new features, models, and tools are developed rapidly by the community. Whether you want to create art, train your own models, or simply explore what's possible, Stable Diffusion puts the power in your hands. The result is a creative landscape that's constantly evolving and open to everyone. Getting started with Stable Diffusion is easier than ever, thanks to a variety of user-friendly interfaces. The most popular is Automatic 1111 Web UI, which offers a simple web interface, one-click installation for Windows, and a massive extension ecosystem. For those who prefer visual programming, Comfy UI provides a node-based interface that's extremely flexible and powerful, perfect for advanced workflows. There are also options like Diffusion B for Mac users, Invoke AI for professionals, and Draw Things for iOS. Web-based solutions like Hugging Face Spaces and Replicate make it even more accessible. No matter your platform, there's a Stable Diffusion interface that fits your needs. To run Stable Diffusion smoothly, you'll need some hardware muscle. The minimum requirements are a GPU with at least 4 GB of VRAM and 8 GB of RAM. But for the best experience, aim for 8 GB or more of VRAM and 16 GB plus RAM. You'll also need at least 10 GB of storage for models and outputs. These specs ensure you can generate high-quality images quickly and efficiently. If you're just starting out, don't worry, Automatic 1111 is the most beginner-friendly and has the largest community support, making it easy to find help and tutorials as you set up your AI art studio. Checkpoint models are the foundation of Stable Diffusion's creative power. These base models define the art style and capabilities of your AI. Popular examples include SD 1.5, SDXL, Realistic Vision, and Dreamshaper, each offering unique strengths and specialties. By choosing different checkpoints, you can tailor your image generation to suit anything from photorealism to anime. This flexibility allows artists and creators to experiment with a wide range of visual styles, making Stable Diffusion a truly versatile tool for all kinds of projects. Sampling methods in Stable Diffusion determine how your images are generated. Options like Euler A are fast and great for anime, while DPM++2M Chorus offers balanced, high-quality results. DDIM is ideal for consistent character generation, and LMS provides stable, reliable outputs. Each method has its own strengths, so experimenting with different samplers can help you achieve the exact look you want. Understanding these options gives you more control over your creative process and helps you produce images that match your vision. Sampling steps and CFG scale are key parameters that influence image quality and creativity. Typically, 20 to 30 steps offer a good balance between speed and quality, while 50 or more steps can yield higher quality at the cost of speed. The CFG scale controls how closely the image follows. Your prompt 7 is balanced, 1 to 3 is more creative but less accurate, and 10 to 15 is strict prompt adherence. Adjusting these settings lets you fine-tune your results, whether you want creative freedom or precise control over your generated images. Seed values are essential for reproducibility in Stable Diffusion. Setting the seed to -1 generates a random result each time, while using a fixed number ensures you get the same image every run. This is especially useful for creating consistent characters or scenes across multiple images. Mastering seed values allows you to experiment confidently, knowing you can always recreate your favorite results or tweak them for new variations. Prompt engineering is the art of crafting effective instructions for Stable Diffusion. The basic structure includes the subject, description, style, artist references, and technical specifications. For example, you might prompt a futuristic cityscape, vibrant colors, in the style of Sid Mead, ultra-detailed, 8K resolution. Using quality boosters like Masterpiece or Ultra Detailed can enhance results, while negative prompts like Blurry or Bad Anatomy help avoid unwanted features. Mastering prompt structure is the first step to unlocking the full creative potential of Stable Diffusion. Beyond the basics, Stable Diffusion supports advanced prompt syntax for even more control. You can use parentheses to emphasize important elements, brackets to de-emphasize, and combine concepts with and. Weighting lets you increase or decrease the influence of specific words, and advanced syntax allows for alternates and step-based changes. These tools help you fine-tune your prompts, guiding the AI to produce exactly the kind of art you envision. Experimenting with these techniques can lead to truly unique and personalized results. Stable Diffusion's model ecosystem is vast and diverse. Base models like SD 1.5 and SDXL are widely supported, with SDXL offering higher quality and better prompt understanding. Fine-tuned models such as Realistic Vision and Dream Shaper cater to specific styles, from photorealism to anime. Specialized models like Protogen and Counterfeit expand creative possibilities even further. This ecosystem allows users to choose the perfect model for any project, ensuring flexibility and endless creative options. LoRa models and embeddings are powerful tools for customizing Stable Diffusion. LoRa files are small add-ons that modify base models, allowing you to add specific characters, styles, or concepts. They can be combined and weighted for even more flexibility. Embeddings, or textual inversions, are tiny files that add new concepts to your prompts and often load automatically with trigger words. These features make it easy to personalize your AI art and expand your creative toolkit. ControlNet is a groundbreaking extension that gives you precise control over image generation. With modules like OpenPose for character poses, Canny for edge maps, Depth for maintaining 3D structure, and Scribble for turning sketches into finished art, ControlNet opens up new creative possibilities. Whether you want to guide the composition, refine details, or experiment with new workflows, ControlNet puts advanced tools at your fingertips, making complex image generation more accessible than ever. The Stable Diffusion ecosystem is rich with extensions that enhance your creative workflow. Tools like Regional Prompter let you use different prompts for different image areas, while dynamic prompts generate multiple variations automatically. Additional networks help manage LoRa's and embeddings, and Tagger can automatically label your training images. These extensions streamline your process, save time, and unlock new creative strategies, making Stable Diffusion even more powerful and user-friendly. Upscaling is essential for producing high-resolution, detailed images. Stable Diffusion supports several upscaling options, including ESGAN for general use, Real ESRGAN for photorealistic images, SwinEar for high-quality enhancement, and built-in latent upscaling. These tools help you refine your creations, ensuring your final images are sharp, vibrant, and ready for any professional or personal project. Stable Diffusion empowers users to train their own models for ultimate customization. Techniques like Dreambooth allow you to fine-tune models on specific subjects, while textual inversion creates custom embeddings for unique styles. LoRa training is efficient for adding new characters or styles, and hypernetwork training lets you modify model behavior. These advanced features enable artists and researchers to push the boundaries of AI-generated art, making Stable Diffusion a true laboratory for creative experimentation. A typical Stable Diffusion workflow involves several iterative steps. Start by generating a base image with a simple prompt. Next, use IMG to refine and enhance your creation. Apply ControlNet for precise adjustments, such as pose or composition. And finally, upscale the image to add detail and polish. This step-by-step approach allows you to experiment, make improvements, and achieve professional quality results, even if you're just starting out. Batch processing is a powerful way to maximize your productivity with Stable Diffusion. You can generate multiple image variations simultaneously, use XYZ plots to test different parameters, and create character sheets with consistent seeds. This approach is perfect for building scene variations efficiently, exploring new ideas, and managing large projects. Batch processing tools help you save time and streamline your creative workflow. The Stable Diffusion community is a treasure trove of resources and support. Platforms like Civitai offer model and image sharing, while Hugging Face serves as the official model repository. Discord communities provide real-time help and sharing, and YouTube tutorials offer visual learning for all skill levels. Engaging with these resources helps you learn faster, solve problems, and stay up to date with the latest developments in AI art. Stable Diffusion is transforming professional art and design. Artists use it for concept art, character design, environment creation, and style exploration. It's perfect for developing mood boards, visualizing ideas, and iterating quickly on creative projects. The ability to generate high-quality images on demand makes it an invaluable tool for professionals in gaming, animation, publishing, and beyond. Content creators are leveraging Stable Diffusion for social media graphics, blog illustrations, YouTube thumbnails, and marketing materials. Its flexibility and speed make it easy to produce eye-catching visuals that stand out online. Whether you're building a brand, promoting a product, or just sharing your creativity, Stable Diffusion gives you the tools to make your content shine. Stable Diffusion isn't just for professionals, it's perfect for personal projects and hobbies too. Create custom avatars, design home decor, make personalized gifts, or simply explore your artistic side. The freedom to experiment and the ease of use make it a fantastic tool for anyone looking to add a creative spark to their everyday life. Businesses and researchers are also embracing Stable Diffusion. It's used for product visualization, architectural concepts, fashion design, and educational materials. In research, it supports AI experimentation, model training, and algorithm development. The open-source nature ensures that organizations can adapt and extend the technology to fit their unique needs, driving innovation across industries. Stable Diffusion's open-source philosophy offers unmatched freedom and control. There are no usage limits or restrictions, and your data remains private and secure. You have the ability to modify and extend the software, benefiting from community-driven improvements and rapid innovation. This approach not only empowers individual creators, but also fosters a collaborative environment where everyone can contribute and learn. Using Stable Diffusion is a fantastic way to learn about AI, machine learning, and digital art. You'll gain practical experience with cutting-edge technology, develop technical skills, and deepen your understanding of how AI image generation works. The community offers endless opportunities to participate, share knowledge, and grow as both a creator and a technologist. One of the biggest advantages of Stable Diffusion is its cost-effectiveness. It's completely free to use and modify, with no subscription fees or hidden costs. Because it runs on your own hardware, you're not dependent on cloud services or external providers. This makes it a sustainable long-term solution for individuals, artists, and organizations alike. Stable Diffusion represents the best of open source philosophy. Powerful technology made accessible, customizable, and community-driven. While there's a learning curve, the rewards are immense: complete creative freedom and a deep understanding of AI art generation. The most successful users are those who embrace both the technical and creative aspects, constantly experimenting and learning from the vibrant community. With Stable Diffusion, your imagination is the only limit. Are you ready to join the open source revolution? Stable Diffusion gives you the tools, freedom, and community support to create, learn, and innovate like never before. Whether you're an artist, developer, or hobbyist, there's a place for you in this exciting movement. Remember, with great power comes great creativity, and Stable Diffusion puts both in your hands. Thank you for learning with us, and happy creating.
Subscribe to Knowledge Hub, like this video, and tap the bell so you never miss what's next.